Phil, this is a great video to start with. If we go to edit, once you've logged in, I usually just go remove the dashboard extension, go back to the homepage URL, edit, and then edit with UX Builder. When you click on that, it'll bring up the UX features. So all the UX features are here. Don't be overwhelmed by the selections. This is quite a long homepage, as you're aware. So if you want to make an edit, say on the wording here, you just click on that text field and you'll see the title in here, the mini fellowship program, etc. So you can make edits within that. It's set up as a H1 tag. There is no color, but you can change colors through here. There's a lot of good features with the way we've built up this website. You can make click on here to make the text field changes, the normal options and what you have here. Click onto there. That brings up the open text editor, and then you can see it clearer, make the changes that are relevant. It's set up as a quote because it's a nice feature. It has this vertical line here, and it all appears in italics, which just allows to flow in quite nicely. It's been set up as a blue vertical line, and you can see it more there when it's not selected. So the other benefit is if you wanted to change the size of the title, you just click on there. That's for the wording. I've chosen it as center bold in this instance. And you can actually just drag the feature here on the left. So if you want to make it slightly smaller, you can. So I've set it at 129%. Or you can make it even smaller or larger. I'll leave that with you. I'll just leave it as a 129 proportion. The heading underneath it is head 3. But again, if you want to make it a little bit larger or not, you can. This is a darker blue, but if you want to make it this blue, I just click onto here, copy that, click onto that heading, click onto color, paste it, and you have the same blue. Again, images. A lot of the images are already uploaded in the image gallery, as you know, the media gallery. Change media. But in this instance, I don't want to change it, so I'll just get out of the media gallery. And yeah, so you just scroll through. It's all been built up and set up correctly. Just anywhere you'd like to go, click, make the change, OK, apply, and update. And that's how you make the changes. So the whole page is being saved right now, and you wait. Update complete. The scrolling has stopped. This has all been set up to work on different parts of this page. So it's an instant scroll feature. So if you click on the image, I have it working there. So you'll find scroll to program office. That's what I've called this. Scroll to program office is the title to activate it. And then when you click on learn more, I have down here, hash, program office, the image, link, hash, program office, and it takes you straight to that part of the page. And it applies the same to all of these. So if we go to learn more or click on the image, it takes you straight down to the same image. So that way then it's very easy for people to scroll through and find out what needs to be to reach that page faster. You can click onto here or here. So if you wanted to make that heading a little bit smaller, you can. That is the smallest it can go there. But I've set it up as head 2, so you can select it and make it perhaps head 3, which makes it smaller here. Make it bold. and then increase the size. You might like to have it that way. This one here is set up as head 4. Again, you can change the color if you want, but I'll leave it as it is. Here, you can make the font size a little bit bigger. I've just made it a little bit bigger there for you. Open editor, unbold it, and that's how it appears. So you may want to make the text box a little bit lighter. So go to background color, and there's a little slider here, and that's making it making the transparency less, so it brings up the text more, or you can make it full white if you want. And I'll leave it here so that part of the background image shows. That's done. Again, that's the image there. You may want to make that a little bit smaller or make changes. It's very easy, but it's important to share just to make it easier for you and to minimize any breakages through the site. Click here. So I've already added in the correct page, as you can see. Ketamine training, how to apply. You may want to make that a little bit lighter. So I'll bring it back a bit further or a little bit higher. Logo's in place there. That's the image being a PNG file. And oh, the animation feature. So with the images, I've made them the depth of 4. Animate fade into right, so they all fade into right as you scroll down. So it just helps to give a lot of animation and activity taking place. When you have a moment, you might like to fill this area a little bit more with 2 paragraphs. This has all been set up within a grid. Again, just click on there. I've made them all the same size, so that's all working as it is. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. And I will leave this with you so you can continue to update and make the changes on each page. The next video, I'll show you how to add the clinicians. So to save the changes I've made, again, apply, update. We wait. And it's updated. So you click out of here with a cross. And here we are on the home page. You can see how the animation's working. I'll click on to learn more. Will take us straight to here. Scroll through. Again, we can just click on here to get back to the top of the home page. And I'll move a bit further down to learn more. And this is where I've made it a little bit lighter. You can make it more opaque if you wish by adjusting the transparency settings on the slider. I've made it a bit more opaque. You may want to make it a little bit more transparent. You know how to create the shadow, set up the animation. It's all there for you. So I'll leave it in your capable hands to make the necessary adjustments for the dates and to edit the text whenever you feel comfortable. The entire page has been set up for you and it's working well. And it's a very long page, so I will leave it with you. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.